Yeah, welcome to SEPAM. Today we are going to review IGCSE Paper 2, Variant 2, May-June 2022. IGCSE Physics Paper 2, Variant 2, May-June 2022. So, this paper had the duration of 45 minutes. You need your pencil, your pen, your calculator to do this paper, and my objective is to see how I can help you build up your grade so that at the end you can come with that A+. That is our agenda for setting up this channel, how to improve the grade of students. So you are the right place. So let's get started as we go through this paper. Right? So let's look at question 1. Very small value or quantity are measured using micrometer screw gauge. So what is that? No time, no pressure, no moment, distance. So the answer is D. A man stands by the railway track. The speed of the train 40 meters per second, and it took 2 seconds to pass the man. What is the length of the train? Length, distance is equal to what? Speed times time. So if you do that, that will give you 80 meters. So your answer is D. Question 3. Which quantity is equal to acceleration? Distance time graph will give you speed. Speed time graph. Area under speed time graph will give you distance. Gradient of distance time graph will give you speed. Then the gradient of speed time graph will give you acceleration. So D. On the moon, all objects fall with the same acceleration. The reason is because the weight of an object is directly proportional to its mass. So the answer is C. The weight of an object W is directly proportional to m, to the mass, because the strength of gravity on the surface of the moon is the same. Yeah, question 5 is the next. So a measuring cylinder contains 30 cm³ of a liquid. Let's assume the liquid that is poured here 30 cm. So you take note of the mass, you take note of the reading on the scale when you pour in 30 cm³ of it. Then you add 20 cm³ to make up the volume to 50 cm³, and the mass increased by 30 grams. So with that, you know density is mass over volume. So the new volume of the liquid that you added was 20 cm³. So the mass was 30. So the additional volume has the additional mass increase registered on the scale. So 30 grams divided by 20 give you 1.5 grams per cm³. So that gave us the answer as C. So that is the answer to this question.
Do you want to get an A+ in Cambridge IGCSE Physics? Make the smart choice of subscribing to Super Easy Physics and Mathematics. For sure you will benefit from Mr. Matthew wealth of experience of preparing students to get an A+ in physics.